What's up, people? Welcome to Ncash channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make money from cryptocurrency. Now, if you have not heard of cryptocurrency, then you need to google about cryptocurrency and have enough idea. That's the next generation currency we are talking about here. I'll be showing you how you can make money from cryptocurrency. I'll be showing you how you can exchange cryptocurrency for another cryptocurrency, and I'll be showing you how you can do transaction with cryptocurrency all in just one site. Now this site, it's very legit. They have been in business for over a decade plus now, and they are very okay. I can attest to that. Now let's go. Let me show you step by step. All I want you to do for me is like this video, comment on the section button, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button so that whenever I'm posting videos on how you can make money, you will be the first to look to watch the video, and you act immediately before your competitors. Now here we go. This is the site www.exmo.com. Boom, it's loading. Let's give it some few moments. Still loading. Okay, having a little. Okay, it's opening. Just give it a few moments. Having a few. Oh yeah, wow, here we are. This is Exmo. Look at it. You can see that. You see active traders, over 25,276 active traders, and they have about 179 currency pairs, and this is the transaction volume per 24-hour. This is it. These are section of all the cryptocurrency they trade. You see Bitcoin there, or you see ontology. You see several of them. Now this is their merchant services. You can see that. This is great. Like, this is a very good information. Get back up to 70% of your trading fee, and this is great. Wow. Now look at this. Now the beauty of Exmo is you can get your money wired directly into your bank, into your MasterCard, and you withdraw it from anywhere in the world. You can see that. You can see this. That's beautiful. You wired your money directly into your MasterCard. For instance, now let's say you have a BTC and you need to exchange it for dollar. All you need to do is just transfer it to your Exmo account, exchange BTC for dollar, and wire BTC directly into your MasterCard, and just go catch out dollars. That's great, right? Wow. These are all information. In your leisure time, you can take time to go through them. Now you can see all your social media site there. That's great. You can see Exmo have been in existence since 2013 to 2015, and they have been in business. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, now let's go. How do this work? First, this is what you need to do. You create an account with Exmo. Yeah, once you create an account, these are login details. You put an email there, choose a password. This will be your username, email, choose a password. You agree to all these terms and conditions. You click you're not a robot and you sign up. Boom, here you go. Now after signing up, you will have to verify your account so that they will know they are not dealing with robots and they are not dealing with ghost people, so that you can have access to your money. Now let me show you how Exmo look like. Okay, this is it. Oh, boom, sign in there. That's great. Now this is Exmo. This is how explode. We are here now. You can see that. You can see buy, you can see sell. You can do everything, virtually everything on this platform. You can trade, you can buy cryptocurrency and save and store them, and the thing, it will rise and you resell. You can do virtually and everything. Now you can come here, look at this. You see quick exchange. This is the beauty of Xmo, quick exchange. Okay, you can exchange any cryptocurrency at all for any cryptocurrency. Okay, let's say for instance I want to exchange BTC for US dollars. Now all I need to do is put the amount of BTC I want to exchange, and I receive dollar in cash down here. And this is it. When you come here, you see that every information you need to get, and you can transfer your money direct into your bank account. Let me show you a button here. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. You see that, you see that, you see that. Buy crypto, any amount you can buy, any amount at all you can buy. Quick exchange. This is where you can fund your account. You see there, after verification, after you must have verified your account, then it can give you permission to fund your account. Now you have access to withdraw anytime, any day, and withdrawal is very fast and very accurate. See these buttons, this is where you withdraw. Let's say we click them now, you withdraw from here. That's great. Wow, beautiful. That's nice, right? Okay, all I need you to do is like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel, comment on the section button below, and turn on the notification button so that whenever we are posting videos on how you can make money online, you'll be the first to watch them. Thank you very much, and you have a wonderful time.